What's up guys, it's your coach Łukasz, and today we're gonna cover the basic boxing stance, so check it out. Alright guys, today we're gonna go over basic boxing stance, which is obviously one of the most important, one of the most fundamental things in boxing, because if we don't have a proper boxing stance, our mobility is gonna suffer, we're not gonna be able to throw the combinations properly. So this is our fundamental thing in boxing, right? So let's go over the basics. First, we're gonna go over the proper feet position. So the way I like to do it is this. If you are righty, actually first we're gonna start with our feet together. If you are righty, you're gonna move your right leg. If you are lefty, you're gonna move your left leg. So I'm righty, so I'm gonna move my right leg one step to the side. And now I'm gonna step one step back. From this position, I wanna have, I like to use this line when I teach the basic boxing stance, because this line is gonna allow me to kind of see where my feet is. Now I'm gonna keep my back foot around like 90-degree angle, a little bit less. And this feet is gonna be like 35-degree angle coming to this line. And my toes gonna be aligned with my heel. Okay, and that's going to be a staggered stance, and I want to be light on our feet. Now, why we want to have that type of a stance? If my feet would be in a straight line like this, if someone going to push me like from the against the chest, I'm just going to lose my balance, right? If my feet would be in a straight line like this, and someone's going to push me from the side, I'm also going to lose my balance. So I'm not going to be as stable. So think about like having a high skyscraper that doesn't have a good foundations is gonna collapse. The same thing with your boxing stance, right? So we wanna have that staggered stance. The back foot is like 90-degree angle or slightly less. The front foot is slightly bent, aligned with your toes are aligned with your back heel. And I wanna be light on our feet. So that's the position of our feet. So now let's go over the position of our arms. All right guys, so we just cover our position of our feet. Now let's cover our upper body position. So right hand or your back hand is gonna be like close towards your chin, and elbow is gonna be close towards your body, right? This arm is gonna be straight and also close to the body. I don't wanna keep my elbows like this because now my body is open for body shots, right? For liver shot and also solar plexus. So I'm gonna protect my body by keeping my elbows close to the body, right? Chin down. And I'm gonna keep my chest like a little bit in. I don't wanna be like open like this. My chest is in. Kind of imagine like you're like a scary cat, right? Where, you know, you're rounding the back a little bit, shoulders move forward, chin down, arms protecting you, your face, your chin, and also your body. Now I'm gonna rotate my body a little bit to the side. I don't wanna be like square in front of the opponent because now I'm like a bigger target and it's easier for the opponent to hit me. So when I kind of lean a little bit to the side, elbows close to the body, chin down, and I'm protecting my face and I'm protecting my body. Now, those are just the basics, fundamental movements where we're just teaching beginners. Obviously, when you are more advanced and with more time, the stance is gonna be a little bit more modified. You can play around with the stance. So some people actually, they're dropping their hands down a little bit. Some people like shell up to the side a little bit more. And they're changing the position based on their body type and the style of fighting. So over time, your stance will modify, and that's okay. But at the beginning, we want to just cover the basics, and we want to make sure that we have a solid stance and we're protecting our face and protecting our body, right? So good position of our feet, we're protecting our body, protecting our face, and that's the proper boxing stance. All right guys, so today we went over basic proper boxing stance. So I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like button. If you want to watch more of that similar content, make sure you subscribe. Otherwise, stay focused, work hard, and I'll see you soon. Take care.